Hey, we are making chicken wings in our air fryer today, everybody. Aren't those the most beautiful chicken wings you ever did see? This is me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes, sitting down to destroy our chicken wings. Now, you can add a jalapeno or you don't have to. I choose to, and I like to take the seeds out and take the white out, chop it up real good. Add that to a large mixing bowl with 2 cups of buttermilk and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it up real good. And now we're going to take our chicken wings, and you can see right where the elbow is. We're going to push that blade right through the elbow here. Roll it back and forth until you find that joint. Your knife will sink right through. We'll take those chicken wing segments and stick it in our buttermilk mixture. Mix them up real good. Make sure those chicken wings get completely covered in that buttermilk. Get them underneath the surface there. We will cover that chicken wing bowl with plastic wrap. And we'll take that bowl full of chicken wings and we'll let them hang out in the refrigerator for 6 hours to a couple days. Yo, dude, what's up? Alright, now the seasoning mixture that I chose to use for these chicken wings is a recipe that I used to use for fried chicken back in the day before I used to air fry everything. And boy, I'll tell you, this is a really good recipe. There is a link to this recipe in this video's description, and instead of using flour with your seasoning, we're going to use cornstarch, or you can use baking powder also, but we use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's how you get crispy skin on your chicken wings in the air fryer. We're going to mix that up real well. Here's a little trick for you. When you're measuring honey, you can spray the inside of your measuring cup with oil, wipe it around real good, and then when you pour that honey out, the honey will just run right off the inside of that cup. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Alright, so let's spice up our honey with a teaspoon or 2 of whatever hot sauce you like. And then we use a chipotle Cholula. I think that chipotle gives it a nice flavor. And we'll set that aside. We have a large piece of parchment paper on our counter. We're going to lay out our chicken wings there. Heavily cover them with that rub that we just made. And flip them over and do the other side just as heavy. And we're going to spray them down with oil. Make sure that rub gets wet with oil. You don't want anything dry going in the air fryer. And we have a 400-degree preheated air fryer basket that we oiled. We'll put our chicken wings into our air fryer. If you have any spots that are a little light, you can sprinkle a little bit more rub on there. Oil it up real good. Make sure all that rub is wet. Stick that basket into the air fryer. We'll air fry the chicken wings for 20 minutes at 300 degrees. After 20 minutes are up, go ahead and oil them, flip them, oil them, stick them back in your air fryer, and we will now air fry at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And there you go, everybody. Some of the most beautiful, delicious, crispy chicken wings on the planet. Now we're going to go ahead and put our hot honey on top. Sit down and enjoy the most beautiful, tender, delicious, crispy, flavorful chicken wings. These chicken wings are so good. If you guys like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we get a new video out there for you to watch. And if you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that will take you right to it and you can print it off. Thank you very much for watching our show. We appreciate you guys very much. Take care of yourselves out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Wow!